guys, today I'm going to be doing something extremely exciting and something that I love to do, and that is unboxing beauty PR packages. The reason why I love unboxing is because to me it feels like Christmas all over again. Most of the time when I receive a box or a package, I actually don't know what's inside it. It just keeps me feeling happy and excited. So the very first package is from YSL. YSL is actually one of my favorite beauty brands, and the reason is because I find that the quality of their products is really, really good. I know it's on the pricey side, but I find that the quality is really there. Two high-end brands I really love is Dior and YSL. So YSL recently launched their new blushes, and what's really nice about them is it has a blurring effect and it also gives your skin that nice healthy glow. So now let's open this box because I have no idea which shades I received. Oh my god, just look at that. Oh my god, like the quality of the packaging is so amazing. I'm just obsessed with the packaging. Just look at that. They look so lovely and so perfect. So the first shade I received is in shade 44, and when I open this product, I would describe this as more of a nude pink color. I would say this is perfect for like your everyday look just because the color looks very, very natural. So the second shade I received is in shade 42, which is called the Baby Doll Pink. Oh wow, this is very, very pink. I am not sure if I can rock this pink shade, but I will definitely give this a try. And the third shade that I received is in shade 37, which is called Peachy Nude. Oh wow, this is another lovely shade. So this is a peach shade with coral undertones. Personally, like just visually looking at it, I almost think of this as like a bronzer and blush in one. I will definitely give this a try, and I think it will really work well for my skin. I'm just gonna try one of these blushes and put it on my hand just to see how it feels like. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Like the quality of the blush, it's so amazing. And it's so finely milled. I just put this blush on my hand and I can tell right away that it is extremely pigmented. I'm extremely excited to try out these blushes, and I just want to say thank you YSL for sending these products my way. The second PR package I received is from Farmacy Beauty, and before I even comment about the products inside, I just want to talk about the packaging itself. Just look at that. High quality packaging. And it even opens like this. Ta-da! So these are the two products I received. These are both cleansers. The Gentle Cleanser is actually a new product from them, and the other one is the Whip Cleanser, which is good for oily skin. So these are the two cleansers I received from Farmacy Beauty. So the first cleanser is actually their new product, and this is called the Gentle Creamy Cleanser. So this product is perfect for individuals with sensitive skin. It works by effectively cleansing your face, but at the same time it has nourishing and soothing effects. So the second cleanser is called the Whip Foamy Cleanser. So this is mostly for individuals with oily skin. It contains ingredients such as green clay, papaya enzyme, and PCA to really cleanse your pores. So the third PR package is actually from Vichy Laboratoires. It also came with a nice little card, and it says, your new 2025 resolution. Even in winter, UV rays are present and can damage your skin. This is very true. A lot of people only think of sunscreen during the summertime. So for all of you individuals out there, I highly suggest you to wear sunscreen every single day. Even though it's cold and rainy outside, the sun can still damage your skin. So the packaging is so gorgeous. So you open it like so. Ta-da! So there's two different products in this PR package. One is your sunscreen and the other one is the vitamin C serum. So I have used this sunscreen in the past and I love it. It has SPF 50 and it has anti-aging properties. It helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and it also helps prevent the loss of firmness. I really like the fact that this product is so lightweight and it doesn't leave any white cast. The second product is the vitamin C serum. I haven't used this product before, and I'm personally a fan of vitamin C serums because it really helps to brighten the skin. I like to use brightening serums during the daytime. So this product contains vitamin C to help stimulate collagen production and to help even out skin tone. It also contains hyaluronic acid to deeply hydrate the skin. This has a very watery texture and is very lightweight. And it doesn't contain any scent. I'm extremely excited to try out this product. So the next PR package is actually from one of my favorite brands, and that is from Kiehl's. I really like the design of this box because it really gives us an idea of the history of Kiehl's. Kiehl's used to be a pharmacy and it was established back in 1851. I used to be a chemist myself, and so I personally love going to a Kiehl's store because it just brings back memories of the time when I used to be a chemist. So these are the products that I received. So this is their skin barrier bundle. The very first one is the Ultra Facial Cleanser. It's a really great cleanser to really help cleanse your skin without stripping away moisture. The second one is the Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and this helps to really hydrate the skin. It has a really nice lightweight texture. And finally, the Ultra Facial Cream. This is by far one of my favorite creams in the market. This cream is so lightweight, yet it hydrates my skin no matter what the season is. I started using this product around the springtime, and until the winter time, I have been using the same moisturizer, and it has been so hydrating and it works so well for my skin. So the last PR package is from IT Cosmetics. Again, such a cute, unique packaging. So this is the Confidence in a Cream Barrier Boost. So it contains ceramides to help strengthen the skin barrier, and it also works perfectly for individuals with dry skin. So it has a really nice lightweight texture, and it gets absorbed into the skin right away. I'm definitely looking forward to trying out this product. I hope you guys find this video helpful and entertaining. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, bye!